everybody doing? Southwest Oklahoma. Got a thunderstorm developing just south of me, and then I've got a severe thunderstorm out my north window. That storm started in southwest Oklahoma, went up north, up to just southwest of Oklahoma City. Severe storm, golf ball size hail, quarter to golf ball size hail, and that storm continues to track off to the north. So I go up on the ridge line, I've got another storm developing right on the draw line back southwest of me, and this is developing. I don't know if we'll have any tornadoes today. It's not quite a hot enough moisture content. Dew points in the upper 40s, low 50s in this area just ahead of the draw line. And hello everybody. Hello Arkansas. So this is, I'm looking back southwest. This is going to be back towards Snyder in southwest Oklahoma. The draw line is just, this storm that's developing that you're looking at back southwest there. That's just on the north side of Snyder in southwest Oklahoma. That storm is on the draw line. It's on the wrapping draw line bulge, and just south of the winds are southwest at 40 and about 80 degrees with a 20-something dew point. And on this side of the draw line, back where I'm at, the winds are out of the east, and temperature is about 72 degrees here with about a 49 to 50 dew point. So anyway, we'll watch and see what happens. I like this rain-free base. I was on this initial storm up north here, and it's a big old hailer up north of me now. You can see that storm up north there. That's a big old hailer, and that's going up north. I'm at Apache, so I'm watching the storm right here back to my southwest, and right now the draw line is back to the southwest. You got this big arcing draw line situation going on, and it's kind of like this, and the surface flow is back to my southwest barely. Pressure's falling like 29, 40 something. So I'm watching this little LP guy back southwest, and this is yeah, the wildfires up in Nebraska. Yes, so we'll watch this guy back southwest. And I've got another thunderstorm developing just south of me here. Up on this, I'll be quiet, you can hear the thunder. It's continuous thunder. Oh, that's a nice little information here. Look at that little guy. There's all kinds of little, not quite enough moisture to get, we have really, you know, get things all the way to the ground today, but a lot of vortices spinning in the air. Filmed a couple of horseshoe vortexes earlier about an hour ago as the wave was approaching just north of the southwest mountains down here in southwest Oklahoma. But yeah, the winds are very bad, and it's just about, you know, next week probably kick off. Monday or Tuesday, it looks like this big system injecting in. More of a significant outbreak starting Monday across Texas, maybe Dallas, Fort Worth, eastward, southward down to Houston, then east from there on Tuesday. Hello from North Carolina. Yeah, it's nice to, we've had some big grass fires in central Oklahoma today, just south of Norman. We had a large grass fire at Pauls Valley. Apparently it's in a river valley. It's been burning most of over the night, and then today it got out of control again, and then I think they may have that out now. These storms are definitely going to be moving up that way and help put the fires out across Oklahoma. There's some nice lightning just to my south. Again, this storm right south of me is not severe yet. It's just growing, but the one southwest I really like, this storm that's re-exploded on the southwest flank. You got that one storm up north now, multiple severe thunderstorm warnings. Got a special weather statement on the storm back southwest at rain-free base. Storm, Kiowa County, operating tracking the strong thunderstorms east of Mountain Park, moving northeast 25, 40 mile an hour and pea-sized hail. Okay, so good. So it's coming out of Mountain Park. They just issued a special on that storm. I watched the storm. That's the view you're seeing back to my west there. Really like that storm. The ones that are severe have rocketed up north. They're just south of I-40. Now near Carnegie, heading to Binger and Bridgeport, just west of Reno. And that was kind of my target area, up between Anadarko in that area. And again, mainly looks like just some strong damaging winds, about 60 miles an hour, and some hail right now in the storms up north. It's producing pretty good size, quarter size hail, maybe golf balls just northeast of Carnegie. And that's heading on northeast from there. Let me see what the attributes show here. Yeah, oh, it's got a 2-inch diameter hail now, so it's the hill density's come up. Yeah, it's got a big hail core now. And just north of Fort Cobb, I've got some. You can see the big hail core now just north of Fort Cobb. Look at that! Wow. So that's getting up there, right? So it shows 2-inch diameter hail. That's the biggest it's been all day. So we've got some big hail core running up. It's going to run up to Binger, west of Binger, Lockerbie, Hinton, and then Bridgeport across an I-40 out here at 8. It's going to be west of Oklahoma City, west of El Reno. This storm is probably producing nearly golf ball size hail now. That's going to be up to my north there, about 30 miles. Not very far from me, it's just northwest of me. I decided to leave that storm when I just 20 miles northwest. That's the storm up to my north. But I saw this new LP storm building back here, and this really has my attention. The draw line is right like this. It's like curving just to the big arc like this is the draw line. Hot southwest winds poking in this way, and I got east northeast winds coming in that. So I really want to keep my eye on this guy back here. He might get you know, interesting, produce some hail. Wow, it's nice thunder. As well as AT&T. Got some kind of mid-level. These are not uncommon mid-level funnels, you know, back south of me here. Just a lot of vorticity in the air today. There's a really nice mid-level funnel there. That's going to be south of my location. And again, that's at about 5,000 feet, 4,000 feet. No chance of it coming down. It is on the back edge of that storm. On the western flank, that's the updraft. And again, the lapse rates are really strong in the 7 to 9 range. So you've got very strong lapse rates. So you got a lot of stretching of the vorticity in the air, and you'll get these mid-level funnels forming. Rarely do they ever touch down. They stay kind of mid-level. Just the mid-level rotation starting to stretch out a little bit. With that little tower going up, you can see the little tower there, little storm, and you get the little stretching of the streamline vorticity. And there's, I don't want to get out because of lightning, because I'm next to a big tower here. I'm gonna show you something here. Look at the back of that thunderstorm right there. Look at the back here. You can see the anvil back just to the south of me here, about 2 miles. And there's a cell tower right here. That's why I'm able to get out. You got right here by the cell tower. You got 5 bars, and look at that structure. Isn't that awesome? Look at that. So we're watching 2 storms here. I like these high viewpoints so you can see. I'm actually watching 3 storms. I got the storm up north producing pretty large hail, and up to my north that's moving away from me. And attributes update on that. It's now 2 1/4 inch. Well, yep. And that's interesting. Nope, there we go. So you can see that there, 2 1/4 inch now. So it's getting bigger. The one up north, it's continuing to get bigger on the hill. Mine's coming up. It's just south of me here, just north of Fletcher. Yep, this one's also growing. The storm right here, it's just southeast of me. That storm at Fletcher is where I'm at, just northwest of Fletcher, between Apache and Surreal. And yep, that storm is coming up a little bit. We got also storms forming west of Fort Worth. Not too sure. The models weren't too crazy about those storms doing too much today, but the storms did fire on the draw line, so they're up and going. And again, you can see the draw line here. If you just look at radar, what's really nice about this is you just loop it and you watch the draw line come in here in southwest Oklahoma. Yeah, watch that. Watch the draw line. See the draw line moving? Look at that swirl. Look at boom. There it goes. Boom. So it's really nice. Just watch it. Just watch the radar, and radar tells you a lot. So this guy, he just went severe thunderstorm warning, which I expected. Here's the draw line. So I've got these hot southwest winds, and dew point's about 10. And I've got the winds out of the east, southeast here, wrapping back in. And that's the guy right there, rain-free base. I like that storm back to my west. I keep my eye on him. Let the first one pass me. I've got a bunch of windmills up north there, and it is off to the northwest now. And let's see here. Got this guy, he's passing me. Wow, there's a nice little core just southeast of me. And I really like this LP guy back to my west. I'm gonna move around here just a second here, so I can kind of look at the other side of this tower here. And I'm off the road here on a kind of a big overlook. There's that storm. You see it's not a lot of moisture in there. Like I said, dew points upper 40s, lower 50s. And if we had dew points near 60, it'd be a whole different ballgame today. We probably would have tornadoes today if we had dew points in the low 60s. But again, a lot of stretching, a lot of streamline vorticity, tremendous shear in the air. The winds are really back to, I've got about a 140 wind, I'm guessing, 140 to 30, 25 to 30 outside the east-southeast, ahead of the bulging draw line, which is back to my southwest here. So you want to be in the east winds when the southwest wind's punching into it. That's the optimum area. Look at that. Now, this storm here, one of the things that gets tricky, and sometimes you got to, the models can't figure this out. If this storm here rains enough, it says my outside temperature is about 71. But if it rains enough, it'll give me, it'll help saturate the air, right? Maybe into the lower 50s, not much higher than that. But if I can get this air in this area saturated, and let's say it's 70 over 50, 52, 53, okay, something like that, or maybe even 55. If I get the air saturated, then that warm, moist air from here, that southeast back winds, it flows west, and guess what? It flows into this guy. And so it's already severe, so this guy will get bigger. I already know this storm's gonna get bigger, right? Because I've got saturated air to my east, and it's flowing back to the west, and that saturated air is gonna get sucked in the storm west. Now, sometimes that storm, it'll hurt it, maybe kill it, and then other times it'll help it, right? You never know. I really like how these storms, though, right here. Here's the first storm I was on. He came out of this area down here, watched it explode. It went north, produced quarter golf ball sized hail. This storm is now up. It looks fantastic back west of me, and I may go back west, but if I go back west, the cell coverage is going to go to almost non-existence. And then this guy right here, just east of me, is continuing to get bigger and bigger, right? So again, nothing too outrageous today. Just some nice, good thunderstorms, and you see it's getting bigger. That storm out there's got big hail in it. It continues to have big hail. Let's see what the yeah, he's continuing to produce probably golf ball size 2.5-inch diameter hail. So he's getting on up there. So this is the main cold air core that was heading up northeast. That's kind of what it said it was going to do. So there's some big hail up there. I'm sure golf ball. This guy just exploded. Look at this guy. That's what I'm looking for. Remember I was talking about getting bigger? 2-inch diameter hail now. There's that rain-free base back west. There's that guy. I love it. Okay, there's this guy. He's passing. So I got 3 storms here. I got one just east of me. It's passing. It's saturating the air. You can see all the virga and all the precip coming down. It's saturating the air. And it's very moist. It's pretty heavy rain just southeast of me here. It's looks kind of pretty, right? On the back of those storms. Look at that. Now we're going to go back and let's see what this guy does. I like that storm a lot. Rain-free base, LP on the draw line. Tail end Charlie. Yep, I do. I sure like it. Yep. Thank you, I appreciate that. Thanks, Judy. We appreciate that. It helps pay for that high. Wow, that's beautiful. A little storm to the southeast starting to core out. That's nice. We got really big hail up north. This guy, Carney, Cooperton's starting to get up there, maybe 2-inch diameter hail. Okay, that's nice. I can go with that. This guy's rocking it. This guy's putting down some nice hail. Boom, another big thunderbolt right behind me. Look at that, 80ville. This storm has got 80ville on it. That is a absolute, that's a beast. That's a really, really nice storm. Man, look at the hail core in that thing. That thing has got a really big hail core. That's heading up southwest, will be west of the Oklahoma City Metro. Wow, look at that. DBZ's on that, 72 DBZ. That is a mega, mega severe storm. That's going to produce extremely damaging hail if it maintains. It's in a very rural area right now, back southwest of Binger. Looks like it's going to go over Lockerbie, up Highway 8 there, and then just south of Hinton, and it will be approaching the Bridgeport area, and definitely just to the east across I-40. If it maintains that intensity, there'll be damaging hail across I-40 for sure. That's a very, very intense storm. Again, not tornadic, just a big hail producer. And that's basically all they'll be today, just big hail. Okay, that when we see it start seeing yellow, see what it says there, giant hail. Okay, we got giant hail now. So we may have a, I'm gonna be surprised if Weather Service puts a destructive hail on this guy. Let's see what they do here. Yeah, it's got big old hail in it. Let me see what kind of reports we're getting. That looks good. That storm just east of me is getting bigger, not severe, but it's continuing to come up. The one back southwest I like a lot. I like this guy a lot. Let's go inside, look what's going on. Okay, that one's going off to the east now. There's this one. That's beautiful. I love it. Got now my winds, instead of my winds being out of the southeast, my winds are easterly now. I got 2 east winds, almost east-northeast winds now. I love it. Right? There's no love. It's east-northeast winds. And guess what? The east-northeast winds, look at the mammatus now forming. Look at all the mammatus here. Let's go out here. You gotta be careful. Watch this. We got these screaming east-northeast winds. Produced a stronger outflow. I've got very strong outflow east-northeast now from this storm east. It's got strong outflow, and it's going to send moisture back west. You got a lot of mammatus. Look at the mammatus forming here. And then look at the bands. The moisture bands coming up and over me and wrapping back in the storm. Triple point somewhere back to my southwest here. Surface lows back in southwest Oklahoma, right back southwest here. Surface low may be right on this storm. Might be this Niner storm right here. This is probably the triple point. Looks super fantastic. I love what's happened here. A lot of times the models cannot figure this out, right? It's got storms, it's got these mesoscale boundaries. It's saturated the area. It feels very humid here now, maybe in the lower 50s. Summer turns out with the hurricane season, kind of going from La Nina to neutral in the summer. We'll see if what happens. Sometimes the Atlantic basin may be active as we get in September, October. It's hard to say right now. I like this shear. I like that. The big old gargantuan hailstorms heading north away from me. That's great. I love this flanking lane. I love the streamline vorticity. You can see the streamline, the winds are on the southeast, and as the wind approaches the storm, it rolls like this, and then you got the stretching going on here. Thank you so much, Judy. You got the stretching going on, right? So that's happening now. Don't think that, again, the moisture is too low today to probably get any tornadoes. We're probably just going to see some really beautiful storms, and as well as just some nice thunderstorms, right? And quite frankly, out here in central Southern rain in western Oklahoma for this drought. I mean, the drought is extreme out here. We've had wildfires, and we need lots of water in western Oklahoma. Especially over the next couple of weeks, we need water in the month of March and April before we start getting into the 80s every day, because that's going to be a problem. You have a lot of severe weather. It's going to be, probably along an east I-35, unless we get a lot of deep moisture back west, which we should in May, but there's no guarantees. Nice storms off to the east. Got one there. Got a big old severe storm to my north. He's about 25, 30 miles north of me, producing golf ball, possibly tennis ball size hail. Just outside the wind. The wind, I have to get back in the car, keep the wind from overrunning the mic. They got a time lapse going. Got a 4K time lapse going right now of this storm back west. Storm back to my southwest is getting better. Look at radar here real quick. We might start moving again. I think I will. I really like that storm back to my west. Okay, I'm going to take off west. Okay, I'm going to take off west. Stand by here. I'm going to get a little device up. Let's see if this will work for us. Let me try this. Got that little guy. Got that little guy. Hang on, bear with me. I'm gonna put the phone down for a second and see if I get you guys up and running on this little guy. Stand by. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Yep. Boom. Hang on. Gotta get you going here. We'll see how this works. Boom, boom. Let's see if I nope, done like that. It's not gonna like this either. Nope, done like that. So let me just bear with me here for a second. Okay, done. I know what I gotta do. Done like that. So let me do this. Flip it over. Yep. There we go. Just a minute. Pull this back. Yeah. Wow, really like that storm back there. All right. Get this thing mounted. There we go. There, get that guy. And get this guy locked. There we go. There we go. All right. You see what I see? I see a little bowl forming. I see what I see. Yes, I like what's in the view. Okay, guys, we're going west. No guarantees the connection's gonna stay, but we're gonna go intercept this guy back west. I really like it. It's got giant hill in it now. Let's see what it's doing here. Boom, 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 boom. I'm heading out. Let's go. You guys ready? Here we go. I'm heading out. I'm gonna go back to telling Charlie. Let's do it. Yep. Let's do it. You guys are mounted. I love the bowl. I've got a bowl forming back southwest. Yep. Let's do it. Here we go. Getting off the rocky area. Here we go. I love what I see. Look down in the valley. Here we go. Yep. Get that up. There we go. All right, guys, here we go. Seatbelts on. Let's get back here west and let's. Oh, I love what I see. Look at that little left guy. Look at that little ball starting to form. Yep. Can we get her to do anything? I don't know. We'll find out. I've got rotation developing on radar. Yeah, sure do. Oh boy, that storm up north went berserk. Let me see what the max hail was on that puppy. Shows just under 2-inch number hail. Okay, that's the one that just went to my north. That'll do some damage. This guy's south now. He's coming up. Okay, heading west. Stay with us. I appreciate all the viewers. Thank you for joining for one of the first chases of the year. Kind of an LP little situation here across central and southwest Oklahoma ahead of the Bulging Draw line. I love these little LP storms. They're awesome. See that little bowl back southwest there? I like that little situation. This little truck I'm in today is a little bit on the bouncy side, so if the video's shaking, when I stop here again, it'll get better. Okay. Yep. Yep, this little baby wall cloud back southwest there. Again, I don't think we'll have any tornadoes today, but it's, you know what? It's like all the systems this year have kind of overproduced. The days that look like there's going to be some tornadoes or small tornadoes end up producing bigger tornadoes. The days you thought there were going to be weak tornadoes, they end filmed a tornado in northeast Arkansas here a week or so ago. So it seems like a lot of the storms this year have been overproducing, and they have been. So you got to take all of them serious, right? So just like this little storm back here, you got to watch it. And you just got to watch the dynamics, and a lot of times the models can't quite figure out everything, but that's okay. They're getting better. I like this storm back west here. Yeah, got a little bit of it, just a very weak inbound outbound on the southeast flank. We'll see what happens. Probably won't do nothing, but like I said, the dew points are very low. Upper 40s, low 50s, LCLs are higher. You got to get the air. You really need the air to be. You really need the. If we had closer to 60 dew points ahead of this draw line today, 80, 60, then it'd be a whole different ball game. We'd probably be having baseball and softball hell with bona fide full-scale tornadoes today. But you just got to watch these systems really close. There's no guarantees. As we go west here, we're probably going to get in a weaker cell coverage area. Just FYI, if I drop off, I'll bring the stream back up as we get closer to cell coverage again. Really love this storm. I'll change this mode up. Okay, change that up. And now I've got to go to standard. Yep, that's what we've got here. Yep. Okay, that's extremely interesting. I'm going to call it. I've got a rotating wall cloud back to my southwest, and it's condensing. You see what I see, right? Just keep your eye on the left side. Let's see which one yep, okay. My storm back southwest has went into a very hyper ballistic mode. 2-inch going to golf ball, possibly tennis ball size hail. Golf ball, possibly tennis ball size hail on my storm back southwest. Tennis ball for sure, possibly larger. Shows 2-inch diameter hail. I've got almost a funnel coming down with a wall cloud on the left-hand side of this mega super beast southwest Oklahoma. Rotating wall cloud. Yep. There you go. Here, let me zoom in for you guys. It's gonna shake. There you go. Look what's going on. I told you when the storm back east starts sending moisture westward, all bets are off, and that's exactly what's happening. Look at what's going on, folks. There we go. It's funneling. Funnel coming down. Funnel. There you go. Funnels. Yep, it's funneling again. Nice wall cloud. Very beautiful wall cloud now. Yep. Wow, look at that. I've got a, what's the word I want to use? I've got a, yeah.
Catherine?
Hey babe, go to the live stream. Go to the live stream on YouTube. Go to the live stream, okay? Go to the live stream on YouTube. Bye. Bye. Yep. There we go. Okay. This guy's. Let's see here. Yep. Yep. Yeah, I will in a minute. Just a minute. Yep. Yep. It's good. It's a wall cloud. It's good. It's rotating. It's all that. We'll see what happens here. Again, I don't think it's. Hang on a minute. I'm gonna take you out of the crane because we keep switching curving here on this truck. Okay, look at my winds there. See my winds? The winds are out of the east northeast, about 30. Okay, the storm is moving northeast into those inflow winds. Look what we've got. Right? It is what it is. That's a rotating wall cloud for sure. Not close enough to tell you. It looks like it's funneling at times. This is a storm coming out back southwest Oklahoma. Deep east winds, air saturated. It's flowing back to the triple point, back on the dry line. The storm looks fantastic. Really, really, really like the storm now. To the southwest of Cooperton. Again, I don't think it'll tornado. Dew points and all that are just pretty low compared to what we really like to see. Just watch the storm. Just went to red. Stand by. I'm watching multiple things here. It shows 2-inch diameter hail plus, and the storm up to my northwest there, 2-inch diameter hail plus. Yep. Well, I really, really like all the spinning going on the southwestern flank. Okay. Radar sees it. Okay, let me see which way we go. Radar sees it. We go to Oak City, Twin Lakes. Heading up to Reno looks really, really good. It's looks really good. So does this storm. Storm up north. This is the one heading up to I-40. It's rotating and producing very large hail, probably golf ball or larger. This storm here. This is from Oklahoma City radar. Look at the couplet. That's back to my southwest. This is a rotating wall cloud. It has produced some very small funnels, hot base funnels. The storm is rotating off the Twin Lakes radar. It's not quite. Storm is up just to my west here. The storm, both storms up to my northeast, up to south of I-40 is rotating, and this storm also has been showing signs of rotation. Watch things that are coming up. Cloud coverage is getting very, very weak.